The school integrated program in collaboration with Extramarks is something very special. We have the best resource persons teaching our children from distant places. And we feel the lectures are very good. Though it is online, there is a lot of scope for the children to interact with the lecturers and the teachers. All the doubts are cleared then and there. I feel the students are quite inclined and quite keen. This is because of the quality of the program. Otherwise, it's very difficult to bring students and make them stay in an online course for such a long duration. And what I hear from them is that they are enjoying the classes. The app provided by Extramarks is something very good. Children are able to learn at their convenience in their homes whenever they get time. Because of this collaboration, our students are going to achieve, or rather get placed in good colleges. I'm sure one of them will shortly join the best institute, the IIT. We are very, very happy to be collaborated with Extramarks.